Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the spy gear superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about dash cameras. We offer 4 different dash cameras and this video is designed to recap their differences. Each one of these dash cameras has an entire video dedicated to more detailed information about the dash camera, including a full quality demonstration. Essentially, dash cameras are used to capture footage while you're driving. This could be for insurance purposes or professional drivers or someone like me who would just, if there was an accident or if I ever got into an accident, I'd have video evidence captured in the circumstance that something were to happen. Now, before we get into the specifics of each one, let me tell you what they have in common. They all attach to your windshield in some manner and record video and audio to a micro SD card. All of our dash cameras also come equipped with what they call a supercapacitor, which is kind of a silly name, but it's actually really important. Dash cameras with batteries have problems in the area of high heat or really cold environments. Now here in Texas, you would literally have to replace your dash camera about once a year because it wouldn't make it through the summer. The supercapacitor is designed to work in extreme heat and cold and can even withstand Texas temperatures. Now to talk about their differences. This is our entry-level model, this one down here. It features 1080p recording at 30 frames per second. That's actually really good for an entry-level model. It also features an extremely wide field of view at 145 degrees. This model attaches to your windshield with a suction cup style mount. Next up is our 2K model. That's this one here. This actually doubles the pixel count of any of our other dash cameras, which means that the picture is extremely clear. It also features the widest angle out of any of our dash cameras at an amazing 160 degree field of view. This is the first dash camera that we offer that has the wedge style design. I really enjoy this design because it's unobtrusive when it's attached to your windshield. And this is just very aesthetically pleasing. It's not hanging down or in your line of sight when you're driving. This also is the first model that features the 2M sticky tape instead of the suction cup style design. The reason they use tape instead of a suction cup is because it dramatically cuts down on the vibration that happens in the video, so it's not going to look like it's stuttering back and forth, and it makes a more stable and clear picture. Now on to our low profile 1080p dash camera. This one also features GPS. This model is kind of the perfect balance between resolution, frame rate, and features. It captures video in 1080p at 60 frames per second. The extra frames per second it captures really helps smooth out the video during playback when you're like moving, really fast down the freeway or down a highway. You get less blurry and streaking in the image overall. Now, it also features a 135 degree field of view and the same low profile wedge design that the other one does. Now, I didn't really mention about this one here as far as the 2M tape, but it also features that same 2M tape rather than the suction cup, and that's for the same reason, to cut down on vibration. Lastly, it features a GPS module as well that tracks location and speed and overlays that information directly onto the screen during the recording. Lastly, we have our flagship model, the 1080p dual dash camera with Wi-Fi. Now, since we've been carrying dash cameras, everyone has asked us for a dual dash camera. It's by far our most popular request. And up until now, we haven't been able to find one that lives up to our standards. Most dual dash cameras on the market sacrifice video quality on the back camera to ensure that the front camera can still maintain quality. Now, technology has finally come far enough where we can have a front-facing 1080p camera that records at 60 frames per second for super smooth video and still have a 1080p camera in the back. Both the front and rear camera have an amazing 140 degree field of view for an extremely wide angle. They kept with the same low-profile wedge design on both the front and rear camera that just hug the windshield and make it very aesthetically pleasing and keep it away from your line of sight when you're driving. Now, both cameras also attach with that 3M tape. This helps combat the vibration and improves video quality since the camera's not shaking around as much. My favorite feature of this camera is actually the Wi-Fi. This allows you to connect your smartphone directly to the camera while you're still in the car to update settings or download video clips. This is extremely convenient because you no longer need to bend over and break your neck underneath to actually adjust settings or just to do anything to the camera really. Now lastly, this camera also features a GPS module that tracks location and speed and overlays that information onto the screen during playback. Now to recap, we've got the economical model, our super high-res model, our GPS model, and our premium best of everything model, which is the dual dash camera. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.